In this video, I am going to show you how to download TikTok Invoice for ads. When you add a balance to your account using manual payment or complete a payment using automatic payment, they will create an invoice and send a copy to your account's primary contact's mailbox within 5 working days. Just note that automatic payments clients in Japan are issued an invoice for a monthly period. To access your transaction, log into your TikTok Ads Manager. On the top right of your screen, click your profile icon and select Payment. In the left column, select Transactions. To learn how to download and manage invoices from Business Center, refer to Manage Invoices in Business Center. Self-serve accounts using automatic or manual payment can also download invoices from TikTok's Ads Manager. Log into your Ads Manager TikTok account. In the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon and select Payment. In the left column, click Transactions. Choose your transaction. You can sort your transactions by type and date. However, you should hover over to your selected transaction and click Download. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.